And so like when we think about like a non-religious, non-cultural future, what it looks like is a Western future masquerading as neutrality, right? Um, and so I really wanted to challenge that, like, what does futurity look like when like we are allowed to take these things into the future? Because the fact of the matter is, like, people don't want to give up their culture. Every year we hear about the war on Christmas. Like, we all know about this. Nobody wants to give up their culture. But all of a sudden, when we're talking about like people of color, it's like hostile or divisive to say like, I don't want to give up my gods. I don't want to give up my culture. I don't want to give up my clothing. Um, and so Mirage and Court of Lines is very much like engaged with that idea of like we get to determine our future. So what does that future look like? Both in the sense of like Andala has this long cultural indigenous history that Amani is struggling to defend, and also like what does that the defense of that history and that legacy and that language look like in the face of systemic oppression in a galaxy far, far away?